Okay, so welcome back to problem 2. Cars alpha and beta begin from point A and B, starting towards each other at the same time. Right after arriving at one point, the two cars turn around. It is given that the speed of car alpha is 3/7 of that of car beta's. On their 207th time meeting, so this counts both catching up and meeting up, and their 2008th time meeting spots is 120 kilometers away from each other. What is the length between A and B? So right now we don't have a picture. So the very first step is to draw a picture. Okay, so I'm drawing a line, and on either sides I have point A and point B. And so car alpha right here, alpha is going this way, and beta is going this way. So what does it mean when it says that the speed of car alpha is 3/7 of that of car beta's? And that their meeting also counts as catching up. So how can that be if they're going in the same direction? So remember, it says that right after arriving at one point, so if beta arrives at point A, it immediately switches direction. Okay, so the speed of car alpha is 3/7 of that of car beta's. So there's a slight, not really slight, a major speed difference here. So it would make sense for beta to at one point be able to catch up to alpha. So on their 2007th time meeting, and their 2008th time meeting spots are 100 kilometers away from each other. So what's the length of A and B? First, we need to think about the numbers here. So 2007 and 2008. Okay. 2007 and 2008 are very big numbers, and there's no way that we are able to draw and calculate all the way up to their 2008 time meeting, which means that there must be a pattern here. The problem wants us to find the pattern. So if we just find, say, their first meeting spot or their second meeting spot, and we'll start to find a pattern. So gradually find a pattern, and we can figure out where would there be their 2007 and their 2008 time meeting. Okay, so now we know that and what to do. We need to think about their ratio. So car alpha speed to car beta speed is equal to 3/7. It gives that in the problem, 3/7. So in total, there's going to be 10 portions, 10 parts that this is split into, right? 3 plus 7 equals 10. So I'll need 9 points, and I'm gonna draw them. All right, so this is my new drawing, and you see I kind of extended it, so it would be more equal. So these are my 10 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and we'll just add another part right here. Okay, part of the process. All right. So let's think about their first time meeting. So on their first time meeting, who would drive more? Probably beta, because it's 3/7. So there's a major difference right here. So 1, 2, 3, this is where they're going to meet. So one flag with one on it to show it's their first meeting spot. Now, they go again, right? So 1, 2, 3 by that time. So over here, this is where alpha is. By that time, from here, beta has already gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over here. So not yet. Okay, continue going. And see how right now they're going the same direction. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Okay, so they've already met. You see there's 2 dots over here. So this is their second time meeting. So let's make a chart of this. So we have first time, second time, maybe third time, fourth time. Okay. And this is A, B, and total. Okay. So their first time meeting, their total would be 1, right? So A does 3/7 and 3/10, and B is 7/10. Okay, so another round. So alpha is like this and came here. So beta was over here and then had to turn all the way around to here. So this is catching up. The next time there's 3 totals and there's 9/10 and 21/10. Next time it's 5 totals. Okay, so over here 12/10 plus 15/10 plus 35/10. The next time, fourth time, there'd be 7. So 7, 21/10 and 49/10. So with this pattern, we know that by the 2007th time, A has done 12,039 tenths. A has already traveled 12,039 of these parts. So we divide this by 20 and we get 601 remainder 19. A has gotten 601 whole ABs, remainder 19 parts. So saying that this is their 2007th time meeting, meaning their 2008th time meeting would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over here, 2008. And if we know that they're this part from 2007 to 2008, 120, then we divide 120 by the number of parts, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 3/5, and we get 40 times 5, so that equals 200. The total length between A and B is 200 kilometers.